In primetime news this evening, rape and murder suspect killed in alleged shootout with police.
Students of St. John's Primary School mourn death of 9-year-old classmate.
And later, DPP calls out how hustling culture is hurting children in Jamaica. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up, we have the business news.
And later on, we'll also have Primetime Sports. And with a preview, here's Renata Brown.
Thanks, Archie. Well, as you know, the World Relays took place on the weekend. We had some disappointing performances. Former national coach weighs in on where to go next. And also, West Indies tour of England, the UK, likely to clash with the renewed date of the IPL. We'll tell you all about that in Primetime Sports.
It was okay if you forgot the second one. I'm really interested in primetime in the athletics. I want to hear what the coach has to say.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking what more can be done to protect our children from sexual predators.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.